Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming account and client basics, sign out of Epic, restart the launcher, and note the exact Kick wording. Next, identify your VPN type, WireGuard, OpenVPN, or a router/ISP tunnel, because different protocols interact with Epic services differently. Once done, temporarily disable the VPN and launch Fortnite to reproduce the error. This proves whether the VPN causes the kick. Make sure to keep a note of times and any error codes, because that helps later when you adjust routing and authentication. Once you've proven the VPN's involved, enable split tunneling and route only the Fortnite executable through your regular ISP path. This prevents Epic from seeing VPN IPs. If split tunneling isn't available, change server or protocol, switching UDP versus TCP or using a different port, because some servers are blocked. After each change, flush DNS and renew your IP lease. Packet fragmentation, or MTU mismatches, can trigger kicks, so verify MTU and run brief tests until gameplay stays stable. You finish by reapplying the VPN configuration that passed tests, set explicit DNS entries, disable WebRTC leaks, and confirm no split tunnel exceptions were accidentally reversed. Then update NIC drivers, check Windows firewall or router rules to allow Epic services, and make sure necessary ports are open. If kicks persist, collect logs and a timestamped repro video, try a clean network profile on another device, and only then contact Epic or your VPN support with those artifacts, so they can trace and resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.